Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're embarking on a journey through the hallowed halls of US civics. Don't worry, it's not as dry as your old textbooks. We're gonna break down some essential questions about how this whole United States thing works, from the highest court in the land to the political parties vying for your vote. So buckle up, grab your thinking caps, and let's dive into the fascinating world of US civics. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some essential US civics questions that everyone should know. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with the OG, the top dog, the Supreme Court. This isn't just some fancy courtroom drama, folks. This court is the final word on legal battles, the ultimate interpreter of the Constitution. Kind of a big deal, right? It's like the wise old sage of the judicial system, except instead of cryptic riddles, it issues landmark decisions that shape the very fabric of American society. So who are these robed figures deciding the fate of the nation? Well, the Supreme Court is made up of 9 justices, each appointed for life. That's right, life. Talk about job security. This lifetime appointment is meant to ensure they're free from political pressure, making decisions based on the Constitution, not popularity contests. Now, you can't have a team without a captain, and leading the charge on the Supreme Court is the Chief Justice. As of current year, that title belongs to check current Chief Justice. We're not going to get into a whole biography here, but trust me, this is someone who's dedicated their life to the law and now holds one of the most powerful positions in the country. Chapter 4, Feds in Charge, a look at federal powers. Okay, time for a quick civics pop quiz. Who has the power to print money? If you guessed the federal government, you'd be right. That's just one of the many powers specifically given to the federal government by the Constitution. We're talking declaring war, raising an army, making treaties with other countries. The big stuff, you know? Chapter 5. States got rights and responsibilities. 2. Now before you think the federal government has all the fun, let's not forget about the states. They've got their own set of powers outlined in the Constitution, like the power to establish schools and oversee education. That's right. Your history textbook, you can thank or blame your state government for that one. Chapter 6, Dems versus GOP, the two-party system. Let's be real, American politics can sometimes feel like a never-ending tug-of-war, and the two teams pulling on that rope, the Democratic Party and the Republican Party, these are the two major players in our two-party system, each with their own set of values, beliefs, and approaches to governing. Chapter 7. Speaking of governing, who's calling the shots in the White House these days? As of current year, the President of the United States is a member of the check current President's Party. Now, regardless of your own political leanings, it's important to stay informed about the policies and actions of the current administration, because they affect all of us. Okay, shifting gears to the other end of Pennsylvania Avenue where you'll find the House of Representatives. Now, this isn't just any old house, folks. It's got a whole lot of representatives, and leading the charge is the Speaker of the House. Currently, that position is held by check current Speaker, a powerful figure responsible for setting the House's agenda and keeping things moving, or not, depending on the day. The right to vote is fundamental to any democracy. And in the US, it's protected by not 1, not 2, but 4 different amendments to the Constitution. And one of the most significant is the one that lowered the voting age to 18. Because, hey, if you're old enough to serve in the military, you're old enough to have a say in how your country is run, right? Finally, let's talk about a responsibility that's unique to US citizens: jury duty. That's right, getting that dreaded summons in the mail is actually a critical part of our justice system. It's about your fellow citizens having the right to a trial by a jury of their peers. And you might just be that peer one day. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour through some key US civics concepts. Now I know we just scratched the surface here, but hopefully it sparked your curiosity to learn even more about how your government works. Because at the end of the day, being an informed citizen is crucial for a healthy democracy. So, what are you waiting for? Go forth and exercise your civic duty. Read up on the issues, engage in respectful debate, and most importantly, get out there and vote. The future of the country depends on it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. See you next time.